This is what the underside of my engine looks like. Just thought I'd take a quick picture. Wow. Alright, cool. So we got an oil pan here. Time to put the gasket on. I am probably not going to fill the part where I get under the car and attach it. But wanting to show, we're going to use some Permatex Ultra Black to fix this brand new gasket. So I want to double side it. Let's see, pull the nail out. So let's do it. Let's get a nice little bead going here. Whoa. All right. Now we're just gonna go ahead and lay this sucker on here. Get it lined up. All right. Now we get to do it all over again on this side. Ooh, just put it right here in the groove. Okay, last side and we'll be done. All done. Great. Now, like I said, I'm not going to film this, but we're going to put it on the car right now.
Much later.
Okay, so we got our oil pan back on, and I need to show y'all what needs to happen. I feel like most of the videos, they show the sexy part, taking off the heads, changing the lifters, but what is unsexy about this? All right, so look. I painted my oil pan. It's nice and yellow, so it's easy to see. All right, so here's what folks don't mention. To drop the oil pan, you got to drop this bar right here. You got to take this out. And I used a 3/4. Goes a lot easier if you use like an impact wrench, air impact. The other thing you got to drop here is at the front. You got to take off this power steering piece and bend. I don't know how else to do it, but I bent it down so it's out of the way. And then there's this little front plastic bracket here. There's a screw right there. You got to take out to get this plastic bracket off. Here's another surprise over here on this side right here. There's a bracket right in there that you got to unscrew. We're just not seeing it. There it is, that guy right there. Gotta unscrew that guy. 2 long bolts in the back right here. 1 and 2. So don't forget about those guys. And then going through the transmission, 1 and 2. So there's some, there's some secret surprise bolts. Oh yeah, and then this guy here, there's a gasket right here that will fall out, so you got to be careful. And there's 2 long bolts here. So all in all, I counted of this size, 10 millimeter, 13 of those going all around. And of course, the hardest ones to get at are kind of these ones in the front, which are kind of covered up, but because the power steering is in the way, they're pretty hard to get at. So there's 4 up front that are pretty difficult to get at least from this angle. Maybe from the top would be easier. So that's kind of the warts and all of getting this oil pan off. Is you got to remove this. You got to remove this bar here. 3/4 inch is what I used. But yeah, that was just a pain in the butt. Okay, well that's it for today, folks. This is part of a multi-part series, so please click on the link in the description to take you to the next video in this series. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you got something out of this, please remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That's how we make more videos. Until next time, this is Dad Who Does.